Feeling amazing. Her little mushroom. And you just continue around the bend. This, I guess, would camp here too. Just mess around and fall down. Then you're missing a step right here that makes it glorious. Slicing dice, cuz. And look at this. If it's slick, you're gone, dude. Glorious system. Through to the other side, man! We made it. There's something moving. I mean, look at that. Look at the system there. I mean, the icicle's hanging off that mug, bruh. You going the easier way? I'm always going the hard way. Stupid. Whew. Rough on a man. Didn't make it like I thought I would. Oh, calves are burning. Look at the view, Jason. God. When you make it a double arch.
That's where we were.
Yeah. Literally. Where was that? Over there. Probably can't. Jason, next time I'm getting you on. What kind of poop that is? It's beautiful, but I got to see what I wanted to. Oh gosh, look.